The Roswell Street Roundabout in Smyrna, Georgia brought welcome traffic relief and safety to a notoriously congested area. Croy engineering firm led the design, concept survey, right-of-way acquisition, and construction, resulting in a vehicle and pedestrian-friendly junction and landmark for the city.
Well, the city's need over there, we had a mess. We had 6 roads converging at one point, which was very difficult, unsafe. Signalization was tough to figure out. The sight distances were bad, it was unsightly. We had a lot of things that we needed to improve, and Croy's imagination and what they brought to the table for the solution was very good for us.
We looked at it from a traffic perspective, and then we felt very strongly that a single-lane roundabout with multiple legs would work. It's a 6-legged roundabout at the time, and that was going to be a challenge, so we also had to figure out a way to reduce the size of it, and in doing that we reduced one of the legs and made it a smaller roundabout than typical.
The improvements brought about by that roundabout are many. It creates a sense of place for our community. It's a landmark. The ingress and egress in and out of the businesses is fantastic. It's more pedestrian friendly. It's safer. So everything that we were trying to accomplish with this project, we did, thanks to Croy.